Have you ever wondered? The country where the sun never rises. What is the reason behind it? Have you ever wondered? What if the sun never rises one day? If morning comes, but without light? Did you know? There are places on Earth where the sun disappears for months, where morning arrives, but light does not. But what is the reason behind it? Did you know? If the sun remains hidden for months, a person's thoughts, sleep, and happiness begin to fade away. Did you know? The Earth's tilt of just 23.5 degrees is the fine line between life and destruction. If this angle changes even for a moment, can humans survive? Did you know? Those who live in darkness say, when the sun hides, become the sun yourself. But can humans really create light within themselves? We'll uncover all these astonishing mysteries in this video, so stay till the end. Welcome. You're watching Chronicles of Time, where today we reveal a secret hidden between light and darkness. It sounds like a scientific tale, but such places truly exist on Earth, where the sun doesn't rise for months, and in some places, it doesn't set for weeks. The tilted truth of the Earth. The Earth keeps rotating, but not perfectly upright. It tilts on its axis at an angle of 23.5 degrees. This small tilt is the foundation of the greatest balance in the universe. It's the reason we have seasons, differences in day and night. And it's the secret that creates the midnight sun and polar night. As the Earth revolves around the sun, sometimes the northern side leans toward it, and sometimes the southern. That's when one part of the world is flooded with light, and the other plunged into darkness. The days when the sun disappears. In the northern regions of Norway, Finland, Sweden, Iceland, Greenland, and Alaska, there comes a time when the sun stays below the horizon for months. No day, no light, only cold, snow, and endless silence. This phenomenon is called polar night. It occurs during December and January. In some areas, darkness lasts for 2 months. For example, in Norway's famous city Tromsø, the sun disappears from November to January. People tell time not by the sun, but by clocks. Even children go to school under artificial lights. And surprisingly, life doesn't stop in this long darkness. It finds a new beauty. The sky dances with northern lights, aurora borealis, created by the collision between solar particles and Earth's magnetic shield. So even when the sun is invisible, it still leaves traces of its presence. The sun that doesn't set now, the opposite scene. In June and July, when Earth's northern side tilts toward the sun, the same regions that once lived in darkness are now drowned in daylight. This is the midnight sun, a moment when even at midnight, the sun shines high in the sky. In Tromsø, people climb mountains to watch the sun rise at midnight. In Alaska, children play football at night because their night exists only on the clock, not in reality. Scientists say it's the most beautiful illusion of Earth, where day and night forget their boundaries. Why does this happen? All of this happens because of Earth's tilt. Imagine spinning a ball around a light source, and the ball is slightly slanted. When the upper part faces the light, that region gets more sunlight. When it tilts away, it's in darkness. In the polar regions, this effect is extreme because they lie at the very edge of the tilt. At the poles, it seems as though day and night are constantly fighting. In June, the day wins. In December, the night. But neither ever disappears completely. In Antarctica, when the sun sets, darkness lasts for 6 whole months. And when it rises again, light stays for another 6 months. Effects on human life. During the polar night, the lack of sunlight affects the human brain. Many people suffer from seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of winter depression. That's why homes there have light therapy lamps, artificial suns that help the body produce vitamin D. And when the sun returns, the entire city celebrates Sun Festival. Children come out of schools to greet the sun, like welcoming an old friend. This is not just an astronomical event. It's a symbol of life's greatest truth. Darkness is always temporary. On Earth's northern and southern edges, the sun can vanish for months, and sometimes it refuses to set for months. But the real question is, how does this delicate balance stay intact? And if the Earth's tilt changed even for a moment, what would happen? The Earth tilts 23.5 degrees on its axis. This tilt isn't a coincidence. It's the perfect balance that makes life possible. If it were 0 degrees, there would be no seasons. No spring, no autumn, no snow, no blossoms. The sun would shine from the same angle all year, and the poles would stay frozen forever. If the tilt were 45 degrees, half the world would burn, the other half freeze. Life would survive only in a narrow middle zone. This tilt, this angle, is like nature's golden number of life. It's what makes Earth habitable. In ancient times, humans measured life by the sun's rising and setting. Time, days, harvests, sleep, all revolved around the sun. But in the polar regions, this measure became useless. When the sun disappears for 6 months, humans created a new time, artificial clocks, electric lights, and calendars, all born out of this need. It's fascinating. Darkness itself taught humans how to seek light. And that quest led us to science. When humans first saw the sun disappear, they thought it was a divine sign. But with time, we turned that sign into astronomy. When Earth's northern half leans toward the sunlight circles around the horizon. It doesn't fully set, just dips slightly and rises again. This sight can be seen above the Arctic Circle. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, Greenland. Here, even at night, there is light, and the sky glows in shades of orange. People forget the difference between day and night, because light never ends. Polar night. When time stops, now let's look at the opposite. When Earth's northern half tilts away from the sun disappears. No sunrise, no sunset. Just long, frozen silence. During the polar night, the stars appear brighter, and Earth's atmosphere becomes so clear that the Milky Way can be seen in its true colors. It's the moment when humans realize the universe lives on, even without sunlight. The human body and light. According to science, the human brain has a biological clock that responds to light. It controls sleep, hormones, and mood. When the sun doesn't rise for months, this natural clock becomes disturbed. That's why people suffer from seasonal depression. To treat it, they use artificial sun lamps, which help produce vitamin D and serotonin, the same happiness hormones the sun gives us. Darkness isn't just the absence of light. It's an opportunity to find the light within yourself. People of the poles say, "When the sun hides, become the sun yourself." It's not just poetry. It's a principle of human survival. In the parts of the world where the sun disappears, humans have learned to become light themselves. That's the most beautiful lesson of Earth. Darkness never lasts forever. What if the Earth straightens? Now imagine, if the Earth's tilt vanished, what would happen? According to scientists, seasons would remain the same forever. Life at the poles would be impossible. Ocean currents would stop. The food chain would collapse. And the result? Earth would become a silent planet. That small tilt is the distance between life and death. It reminds us, no matter how long the night, the day always comes. The Earth is not just a planet, it's a balance between light and darkness. The sun never truly disappears, it only changes its angle. And perhaps life is the same. When you can't see the light, know that it's right behind you. This was the secret of the sun that doesn't rise. What fascinated you the most about the polar night and midnight sun? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your opinion matters to us. If you liked this video, like, share, and subscribe, because there's still much more to discover. This is Chronicles of Time.